Hi families. I've had some people asking for directions for how to do a video recording, or a voice recording, I should say. So here's what I figured out. This is from Module 1, where we were doing the story about the apple and the alligator and the astronaut. So if you go down through here, download, that takes you to the 5-finger retell. So you can just look at that. And then there is a recorder here, but what I think works better is if you just click mark this activity complete down here. Mine's grayed out because I've already did it in practicing, but I would mark this activity complete and then go up here to next activity. The next activity is where you can submit your voice recording. So if you go, click here and click this microphone, insert audio. It's going to give you two choices, to upload or to record. If you press record, right now it's recording because my little microphone is on. It might ask you if you want to, if you will allow the microphone. Click yes, allow, and then you make your recording. You can say the book was about a big apple, a big astronaut, a big alligator. Click stop when you're done. Here's my recording right here. You're going to click insert, and it's right here. Down at the bottom, it says submit my work. So you'll click submit, and now you're done. Status complete, submitted, and it will come right to me. All right, I hope that helps. Please let me know if you have any other questions about anything. Thanks so much.